how welders should network themselves independently. Well, in my personal opinion, I believe that you should stay focused on keywords when you're advertising, especially on Craigslist, or if you're paying for advertisements on social media. You should focus on keywords that'll help you stand out, and also key photos if you can in the ad that'll help future clients, customers of yours know exactly what you're trying to offer. That way they don't have to um, really look into what are you doing. Don't confuse them with so much. Just give them enough to know this is what he do. And I have learned over the time of paying for ads personally that um, the way you word it, how you uh, be specific on fees, charges, show up time, things like that. Customers appreciate um, the honesty, just straightforward. Okay, this is what it is, and that way they can make a decision. Okay, I didn't talk to this person. I already know what this. I didn't seen some of his work, or I didn't talk to someone who had um, received some of his work, and so they can be able to make a better decision that way. But I honestly feel that you should focus on keywords. I mean, honestly, the wording is a big thing when you set in advertisements, and be specific about what you're doing, what service you're providing, or what product you're providing, or how you're willing to assist someone. So, me personally, I like commercial and industrial welding because those two fields understand what it takes to get a job done. So, versus residential welding and home repairs and doing things like that, to me personally, those are a lot of headaches. So I stay away from them and I focus more on the commercial and industrial side. So I word mine accordingly. And honestly, it helps you stand out if you can see what's out there, see how everybody else is wording theirs. You know what I mean? See how everybody else is starting off their ads or whatnot, and that also help you determine, okay, maybe I should say it like this, or maybe I should start it off like that. You know what I mean? And all of this will help you on top of you being able to provide the service that you're also showing to people. Okay, I can actually do this. So those are my honest opinion. Hold on.